tonight is a little bit historic. Because who would have thought 43 years ago that a kid from Shorewood would go out to Orange County and play his first gig ever with a band called Social Distortion. That was Bad Religion's first show ever. And we have never done a North American tour together until now. So thank you so much for being here. It's the first time you showed the stage in Milwaukee. It's always great to be back. And outside right now, don't worry about it. It's only rain. Scientists, please save us from our day, because your counterpart in the magic art is manufacturing just today. There's a bell and a line, release now, bring the better.